Allahu Akbar. This is a very deep topic, my brothers and sisters. You know why I say that? Because a lot of us today, from the spiritual point of view, we may think that we got a heart, but a lot of us got a heart of a dog. And even dogs think better than us. If a master trains a dog, if a person trains a dog, that dog becomes so loving, so kind, so nice, so caring to that master. A dog. Today, you have parents who train children, feed children, husbands, wives who share with their spouses each other, kind, loving. One little problem kicks off, and see how the human being turns into a dog, which is not really the quality of dogs, really. Even dogs are kind and nice. Even dogs are kind and nice.